Hi everyone, it's Rachel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make a simple ocean crystal ring using the items that we received in the April Sophie Toffee Elves Box. These boxes are monthly subscription boxes featuring a range of exclusive craft supplies. If you would like to learn more about the Elves boxes, check out the information in the description box below. So in the April Elves box we received a bottle of UV resin, silicone mold maker, blue and green UV resin, base stands, silicone crystal molds in 3 different sizes, holographic dolphin and butterfly glitters, and 2 ring bases. So to start making my little ocean ring, I firstly took the smallest crystal mold and all 3 resins that came in the box. I poured a tiny amount of the regular clear resin inside the mold and then let it run around inside, which is going to help hold in my glitter. I then took the hollow dolphin glitter and used a toothpick to carefully place a few inside the mold and position them correctly into the resin. Then I cured that layer using my UV torch and also placing it out in the sun just to make sure that it was cured properly. Next I continued to fill up the crystal mold, alternating between the clear, blue and green resins until I reached the very top. Once it was full, I used my toothpick to gently mix around the different colours. For some extra detail, I took these little iridescent bubbles that I had and added a few inside, before then taking my packet of Japanese star sand and sprinkling it over top. Once the resin has cured and you pop it out of the mold, you can then use a pair of scissors as well as some sandpaper to help clean up any excess resin that has spilled out of the mold. Once it was all cleaned, I chose the silver ring base and applied some UV resin to act as the glue to hold everything together. Then of course I just used some UV light to harden it. I then decided that I wanted the sand to appear more obvious on my ring, so again I used the UV resin as glue and I applied it with my toothpick just around the base and then added on some more of the sand. The final thing I did was using a brush, add some resin all over the crystal just like a glaze to make it extra shiny. So of course the possibilities with these ring designs are endless and you can make whatever you like. This was just another one I was also having a play around with, and I just added a whole bunch of different glitters and mixed them in with the resin. And then that's it for this tutorial. Don't forget to check out the Sophie and Toffee info in the description box below. Subscribe to my channel for more videos and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!